Hello mountain chums, me again today. Today we're doing one of the most terrifying hills in the Lake District. I refer of course to Binsey. Yeah, Binsey is tiny hill. Binsey is a bit of an outlier in the Lakeland Fells, both geographically because it's quite a long way to the north, and in terms of elevation because it's not an enormous hill. But as you're probably already starting to see, one of its great advantages is its views. It's a really good day to be doing it as well. Not too hot, not too cold, a little windy, but lovely. Hey sheeps. Wainwright said, "It's a most excellent station for appraising the Northern Fells as a preliminary to their exploration. It is a viewpoint of outstanding merit." And I'm not going to disagree with him. In terms of navigation, Binsey is not a tricky hill. There is this very well-worn path. Follow it from the road and you'll get to the top. It's basically as simple as that. No, nearly there. Just poking out of the mist is the Isle of Man. You can see across the Scotland, the Solway Firth. There you have it, little Binsey. 447 metres, 1,467 feet. There are plenty of ways off Binsey. We're going to go back the way we came up. As you can probably tell, it's not an enormous hill, so you're not going to be walking for too long. But on a day like today, it is spectacular. So there's Skiddaw, but you can also see the back of Blencathra. Make out the famous saddleback. There you go, about half an hour up, 30 seconds back down. It takes a little bit longer than that, but not much. I think you'd struggle to get lost on Binsey. Don't take that as a challenge, obviously. But the path is pretty clear, so hopefully you will have seen. From here it takes us back down to the gate and the road where there's quite a bit of space for parking. Always make sure, of course, that when you park considerately. Leave space for emergency vehicles and the farmers to get past. So glad we got to show you Binsey on such a glorious day. It's not enormous, but the views are definitely worth the tiny amount of effort it takes to get there. Well, that's about it from me. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe. Join us once again for another Wainwright walk. Stay safe.